like ring thing here. Press that in, push the Bowden tube in. Well, I've got filament in this tube, but every time I push it in, this like Bowden fitting this end is coming loose, as you see here. This is the SOVOL Anti Tangle unit. I had problems with the tube that fits in this Bowden fitting here popping out. What's supposed to happen is if the filament tangle, this part moves forward like this. Okay, it trips basically optical end stop inside, basically, and that triggers this firmware, the software clipper, whatever you want to call it, to go into the pause routine. I suppose you could change this. But what I found, if you look at my other video, is this, in my opinion, wasn't coming out far enough. So, if I can get this clip off, like this part that grips the tube wasn't coming out far enough. So I did cut down some of the plastic, just using the end type snips, okay, to try and get this to come further out. But it was still coming out, the tube, when I was using it. It was an improvement, I think. So first of all, I'll try and demonstrate here. So put the tube in, and I am pushing that, you see, pushing the part that moves. Put the blue clip on that is supplied. That's the blue clip on. And I'm going to tug this. See, it's come out. I have to pull a bit, you know, it's not exactly easy, but it's not too hard to pull up. So I made this very quick print. It's a clip, and it's, I don't know if you can see it, if I can get the blue one in. See, it's just a bit thicker, so that means it's going to push this sort of ring device further forward, and that should grip the tube better. I am going to fake this, if I can get this. It's a bit fiddly to get this in the camera. It's better, I think. It's a little bit fiddly to get this on here. Okay, up vertically, because this has to be able to move forward like this. To, like, there's well, there's 3 fins. 2 go out sideways and rest on like runners, and the middle one will cut this basically off the grand stop. Right, I'm going to pull this. Wait until I get a good grip up. I am pulling this really hard there, so that's not going anywhere. Now I still think you might need to cut this using some of those end snips, a bit of plastic, because if you see the edge of this ring here, it's over the edge of the plastic. Be careful with this spring in here, it's very powerful. So if you're going like this and you let go, it'll bang back. And see, that's what happened there, broke a bit of plastic off. A little bit thicker, it's a bit hard to get that on there actually. You might have to fiddle about a bit. But now it's on. And I am not faking this, I am pulling. Right? So that's fixed, that's anti-tangle device. Bad design, you know, to have this like ring go right against the edge of the plastic. Trying to show you that. Something like PETG might be, I've done mine in PLA, it's okay. But PETG might be a bit stronger. Okay, trying to show you around. This bottom part basically unclips, you can unscrew the front part, take it off. Be careful because you do have that spring inside. So that clip, let's try and push it forward and backwards a few times. Yeah, not going anywhere like that. Just a bit thick to push that ring type thing a bit further away from the main body. There's like jaws in here. Well, I think they press on the tube rather than dig in.